Yeah, good evening everyone. Good evening. Good evening. I think this is the place where we stopped yesterday. Am I right? Please check audio, video, everything is okay or not. Please verify audio, video, everything is okay or not. Lecture number 2 we done. So here we stopped. Can we move to next part? Can we move to next part? This is the lecture number 2. Right? Let's go to lecture number 3. Let's go to lecture number 3. Now I want to ask everyone, say one time good evening, say one time good evening, say one time good evening. Please let me know audio video okay or not. Let me know audio video okay or not. Hi Shikhar, how are you? Shikhar, when is you are joining, Shikhar? Shikhar, when is you are joining? Nice to see you, and congratulations, Shikhar. Nice to see you and congratulations, Shikhar. Hi Rinkan. Yeah, it's fine. Mid-June. Okay, perfect. Yeah, good evening, Rinkan. Good evening. Rinkan, you seen the last 2 lectures? Rinkan, you seen the last 2 lectures? Last 2 lectures you seen or not? You seen last 2 lectures? Yes, no? Yeah, good evening. Anu, you seen the yesterday's lecture? All the lectures are done. 2 lectures only done. All you people seen? Yeah, now let's start. Let's start now. Yeah, today's, I think, let me give the today's date. 15/05/25. All fives only. 15/05/25. Yeah, now listen properly. Everyone. Now listen properly, everyone. So if you see the A class, what is the answer? 0 to 127. First octet. Talk about only first octet. If at all A class, 0 to 127. Right? If at all B class, 128 to 191. Right? First, we are talking about only first octet. Next one. If you see the class C, right? I think 192 to 223. If you see the class D, 224 to 239. If you see the class E, 242 to 255. Right? So if anyone having small doubt also, just I want to ask you one small line. Little doubt also there. Assume you have little doubt. So in the class A, starting with 0. Class B starting with 10. Start C class starting with 110. D 1110. So 4 ones. You should know starting. Right? Next one. So some people are asking. So it is already 4 ones. What about remaining 4? 4 zeros. Then you will get the minimum. Then already 4 ones. What about next 4? All ones. Then you will get this. In the similar way, first 4 people are 1110. What about remaining 4 people? All 0. Then you will get this. So 1110 followed by all ones. Then you will get this. Little doubt also there, you can do like that. So what about this 192? I think same. First 3 people are 110. What about remaining? 5 people? 5 zeros. Calculate properly. 2 5 ones. 2 5 ones. You calculate, you will get the clarity. Next one, if you see the class B, similar, right? All zeros, right? All zeros. 6 zeros to 6 ones. This 1 0 is common, 6 ones. Then I think this one you will get, this one you will get. Similar way here also. 0 followed by 7 zeros. Then you will get 0 followed by 7 ones. Then you will get this like that. Everyone know this. Everyone know this. There is no requirement of repeating again and again. There is no requirement of repeating again and again. Now listen. Now listen now. So IP addresses are two types: class full, class less. Class full, class less. So, but if you see the class full, there are 5 classes: A, B, C, D, E. A, B, C, D, E. Now understand. Now understand one more thing. One more thing. Everyone listen. Everyone listen. Everyone listen. One more small story is coming. One more small story is coming. Everyone listen. A class or class A. This story also you will listen. A class. A class. If you observe clearly, see this one. If you observe clearly, W dot X dot Y dot Z. Understand everyone, this today's class, this game is there, the new game. Everyone try to understand. B class. Today's class, one more game is there. Can you see this one? B class also W dot X dot Y dot Z. C class also check. All will be in this format only. W dot X dot Y dot Z. D also. W dot X dot Y dot Z. Some other story. Can you catch this also? Some other story going on. E class. Some other story. This story is very, very important. W dot X dot Y dot Z. Yeah, totally 5 classes. Now see what I am going to say. Everyone have to listen. See what I am going to say. Everyone have to listen. Everyone. W dot X dot Y dot Z. W dot X dot Y dot Z. Everyone like that. But remember everyone. See this one. In the A class, right? See this one. In the A class, first octet, 8 bits. Right? 8 bits. I am writing also. 8 bits. Is going to be network part. Remaining people, I think 8 threes 24 bits. Host part. So out of this 32, in the class A, how many bits for network? Class A network. Network purpose, how many bits? 8 bits. Host purpose, how many? 24 bits. This is the next game. Next game. Can you listen this also? Some people are asking, sir, how to identify it is a class A? By seeing first octet, I can identify. How to identify it is a class C? By seeing first octet, I can identify. You know how to identify class A, class B, like that. All the classes, how to identify, you know. The next story is, in the class A, how many bits for network, how many bits for host? What is the need? I will say within few minutes. First of all, let me say how many bits in the class A for network, how many bits for host. Remember, 8 and 24. What about class B? Slowly see this one, slowly. In the class B, network part will increase. 8 bits, right? 16 bits for the network, right? 16 bits for host. Network is 16, host also 16. Some people are asking, sir, what about class C, sir? Slowly will increase. What is the answer? 24 bits. 24 bits for the network, 8 bits for a host. Then what about class D, class E, sir? Class D, class E, there is no division. No division will be there. No division. Remember, no division. Sir, how I know it is a class D? By seeing first octet. See, whatever we discussed in the yesterday. Yesterday purpose is what? How to identify this IP belongs to which class. By seeing first octet, I can decide. If the first octet is in this range, it is a class B. If the first octet is in this range, it is a class C. If the first octet is in this range, class E. If the first octet is in this range, class D. First octet is in this range, class A. That is okay. Now next one, sir, I know class A means in that range, okay. But in the class A, how many bits for network? How many bits for host? How many bits for network? How many bits? Remember, slowly start, slowly. What is the meaning? Class A. First one, network part is slow, very less. So I think it is going to be, I am writing also for your convenience. 8 plus 24, 32. What about class B? Slowly increase. 16 plus 16, 32. Next one, what about this? Slowly increase. One more 8 add. What is the answer? 24 plus 8, 32. Reverse. Initially 8 plus 24. Lastly 24 plus 8, 32. Right? Next one, D and E, no division. D and E, no division. D and E, no division. Understand? D and E, no division. D and E, no division. Understand this. Understand. So some people are asking, sir, why are you dividing? You will get to know. Why you will get to know. Everything you cannot get at a time. Everything you cannot get at a time. Why you will get to know within few minutes. So D and E, no division. D and E, no division. In the A division there. In the B division there. C also division there. But in the A, how the division? Right? Slowly start. Right? Network part less. Remember one thing. In the A, how divide? So first time in the A network part less. So what about C? Right? I think host part less. Now it is a correct time to ask you. It is a correct time to ask you. In which class host part is less? Can everyone help me? In which class host part is less? I am expecting answer from everyone. In which class host part is less? Everyone try to understand. In which class host part is less? Try to give answer, everyone. In which part, right? In which class host part is less? Yeah. In the class C, sir, if we have a MAC or physical address, then why there is a need of IP? Yeah, very good one. Very good. I think Pankaj, this is a very good question. Every phone, listen, every phone having one number internally. Every phone having one number internally. Every phone. If you take any phone, internally one number is there. So you have to go inside the phone, you have to break the phone, open the phone. Inside there is a one number. Every phone having number. Why once again one more phone number? I think user comfortability. That is for user comfortability purpose, because that is a hardware dependent. If I go to the right, every mobile having two numbers. One is a physical number, one is a logical number. See, logical number will keep on change. Physical number will not change. Logical number will keep on change. Every device having two number. One is physical, one is logical. One is physical, one is logical. Physical one internally inside the phone, that number. Right? So there should be some flexibility to the user. Suppose this network is not okay, right? I will switch to some other network. So user comfortability purpose. Hardware, if I take the physical one, it is a hardware dependent. So many problems will come. It is a hardware dependent, so many problems will come. It is better to have one number which is not depending upon the hardware. So logical address, which is nothing but IP address. That is a nice question, Pankaj. After some point of time, you will get the more clarity. After some point of time, you will get the more clarity. Can we go further? First question I want to ask all the people. In which class less host? In which class less host? Remember here. I am using another color also. And I am using another color also. Which class less host? See, host purpose 8 bits on less host. Next one. Can you see this one? This is more host. This is more host. Now, my one more interesting question to all the people. My one more interesting question to all the people. All the people. One more interesting question I want to ask you. Please help me, everyone. Class A, host purpose 24 bits. How many hosts are possible? Host purpose 24 bits. Host purpose 24 bits. How many hosts are possible in the class A? What is the answer? Because of 24 bits, 2 power 24 IP addresses possible. See this one. One class A network. One class A network. One class A network having 2 power 24 IPs. These many IPs are possible. One class A network. See, one class A network. 2 power 24 IPs possible. 2 power 24 IPs possible. Some people are asking, sir, one class A network, 2 power 24, because the 24 bits are there, 2 power 24 IPs possible. 2 power 24 possibilities means 2 power 24 IPs possible. Sir, one class A these many, but network purpose 8 bits. Na? How many class A networks possible? 2 power 8 networks possible. Class A, 2 power 8 networks possible. Are you getting? Class A, 2 power 8. Class A, 8 bits, na? Class A purpose 8 bits, 2 power 8. But one thing I want to say, this mistake many people may do also. Class A purpose 8 bits. Class A purpose 8 bits. So 2 power 8 networks possible class A. But one thing, one bit is fixed, na? In the class A, one bit fixed. Out of 8 bits, so in the class A, out of 8 bit, 1 bit fixed, remaining is 7 bits. Na? When you say fixed, it don't give another possibility. One possibility only it will give. But these 7 people you can change. Remember, it is actually 2 power 7. In the right, people can ask you one question. Class A, how many networks possible? 2 power 7. Class A, how many networks possible? 2 power 7 networks possible. Every network, how many IPs possible? 2 power 24. 24 bits for IP. 20, right, listen, 24 bits for host. Na? One network contain 2 power 24 IPs. How many networks possible? 2 power 7 networks possible. 2 power 7 networks possible. So please try to understand. 2 power 7 because 1 bit fixed. So only 7 bits. Only 7 bits. Little doubt also there. Within few minutes, once again, I will clarify. Try to get as much as possible. Can you see the class B? People will get easily now. People will get easily now. Some people are asking, sir, what about class B? See, class B, if you observe clearly, host purpose 16 bits, 2 power 16 IPs. Because of 16 bits are there, 2 power 16 IPs possible. Some people are asking, sir, one class B network contain these many IPs. But the first question is, how many networks are possible, sir? 16 bits, na? In the 16 bits, right, 2 bits are fixed. 2 bits are fixed, remaining 6 bits. So 2 power 6, so class B networks possible. Right, come to the next one, class C. You will get the clarity. Don't worry, you will get the clarity. So I think in the class C, 8 bits per host. So 2 power 6 IPs possible. 2 power 6 IPs possible. So let me write now. One class C network contain 2 power 6 IPs. But remember everyone, 24 bits for the class. Listen, 24 bits for the network. Out of them, 3 bits are already fixed. Remaining 5 bits. So 2 power 5 networks possible. Class C people are 2 power 5 networks possible. So remember in the class D and the class E, there is no division. In the class D, in the class E, there is no division. There is no division. Can you help me? In the class D, how many IPs possible? In the class E, how many IPs possible? Let me check. In the class D, 1110 fixed. 1110 fixed. I think 4 bits are fixed. Out of 32, if you remove 4, remaining is 28. So 28 bits, all possibilities, 2 power 28. 2 power 28 IPs possible. 2 power 28 IPs. What about class E? Same. 2 power 28 IPs possible. Here there is no network, nothing. There is no host, there is no network. See, in the above division there, below there is no division. I'm repeating once again. In the above people, there is a division. Class A, network host. Class B, network host. Class C, network host. Class D, class E, no division. So what about class E? 4 bits are fixed. Remaining people, remaining total how many? Total remaining how many? How many? I think 4 plus 24. I think what is it? 28. 28 bits. Remaining is 28. So 2 power 28 IP is possible. Right? I think you got a little idea. You will get within few minutes more clarity. Within few minutes you will get the more clarity. More clarity you will get. Some people are saying 2 power 7 into 2 power 24 IPs. Exactly. Right? Now I think you will get the more clarity. Can everyone see? Once again, one more round I am doing. You will get the more clarity. In one round itself you cannot get. One more round I am doing, you will get the more clarity. Now everyone observe class A. Everyone observe A class. You will get the more clarity now. Let's go little deeper. A class. Let's go little deeper. A class. Everyone observe. Let's go little deeper. A class. A class, if you observe, network part plus host part. Network part plus host part. Network part purpose 8 bits. Host purpose 24 bits. Observe everyone. Network part purpose 8 bits. Host purpose is 24 bits. Okay, that is okay. But out of those 8, 1 bit fixed. 1 bit already fixed. So because of 1 bit fixed, so remaining is going to be 7 bits. When you say class A, network host, network is 8, host is 24. In the 8 bits, 1 bit already fixed. So because of 1 is 7, right? 7 with the 7, 2 power 7 networks possible. 2 power 7 networks possible. Next one, 2 power 7 networks possible, okay. But one network, how many hosts, right? This one. In one network, these many IPs possible. In one network, 2 power 24 IPs possible. One network, remember, one network contain 2 power 24 IPs. Some people are asking total IPs how many? In the class A, total IPs how many? Can you see everyone? In the class A, total IPs how many? Remember, one class A network contain 2 power 24 IPs. 2 power 24 IPs, like that. 2 power 7 class A networks are there. So total IPs are going to be 2 power 7 into 2 power 24, which is going to be 2 power 31 IPs. Total IPs in the class A. 2 power 31 IPs. Will you agree with this? One class A network, 2 power 24 IPs. 2 power 7 class A network, 2 power 7 into 2 power 24, 2 power 31 IPs. Are you okay with the class A? Yeah, Pankaj is saying some, right, host and all. So listen, Pankaj, nowhere I written host. See, 2 power 24 IPs, 2 power 16 IPs. We'll talk about a host afterwards. Don't worry that much. Class A, are you clear with the class A? Bro, are you clear with the class A? Please verify. One or two. See, every time some doubts will come, some doubts will go. Every time some doubts will come, some doubts will go. That is the meaning of learning. Right? It look like you are getting doubt, immediately doubt will go. It look like you are getting doubt, immediately doubt will go. So class A, this is the story. Right? See, one class A network contains 2 power 24 IP. See this one. Host purpose 24 bits. With the 24 bits, 2 power 24 IP is possible. right? I said to you in the previous classes, I said how it is possible. Fix the left side, right one rotate. Fix the left one, network part fix, host part rotate. Network part fix, host part rotate. So it is something like one work will be done m ways, another work will be done n ways, both can be done m into n ways. So those people who are having little doubt also, can you see the class B? Can you see the class B one time? Everyone observe, right? A class done, so let's go to B class. You will get a little more clarity. You will get the little more clarity. You will get the little more clarity. B class. B class. Observe here, everyone. B class. So B class, if you observe clearly, right? I think 16 plus 16. Let me write. Network plus host. Network plus host. Network is 16, host also 16. But remember, out of 16, 2 bits are fixed, only 14. Out of 16, network part, 2 bits are fixed, only 14. Now, only 14, how many networks possible? 2 power 14 networks possible. Now, how many, right? So, with the 16 bits, how many IPs, how many possibilities are there? 2 power 16 IPs possible. With the 14 bits, how many possibilities there? 2 power 14 possibilities, because of it is a network, 2 power 14 networks. With the 16 bits, how many possibilities? 2 power 16 IPs. If you combined it, carefully observe, if you combined it, 2 power 14 into 2 power 16, which is going to be 2 power 30. Because of 2 bits are fixed. See, 2 bits are fixed, 2 bits fixed. Because of 2 bits fixed, right? It's became 2 power 30. 2 power 30 IPs possible. Total IPs are these many. These are total. These are total. Some people are asking me, sir, can you little bit divide? See, one class B network contain 2 power 16 IPs. Like that, how many? 2 power 14. 2 power 14 class B networks. So total, if you observe, 2 power 14 into 2 power 16, which is going to be 2 power 30 IPs. Is it okay? Class B also okay? Let me check. Do you have any idea? Do you have any doubt? Let me know. One or two minor doubts are there. Further it will be resolved. Further it will be resolved. Class B, network is 16, host is 16. But in the network, 2 bits are fixed. 2 bits fixed. 2 bits fixed. 2 bits fixed. So it became 14. So 2 power 14 networks. One network required 2 power 16 IPs. Total IPs of class B, which is going to be 2 power 30, because the 2 bits are fixed. 2 bits are fixed. Is it okay? Bro, can I go to next? Is it okay? Can I go to next? Someone is saying class C 2 power 8 IP is possible, na? So I am checking now. Class C I am checking. Now everyone see here. Class C. Someone is asking class C. So C class. Anu, you can listen now. Class C. If you see the class C, network plus host. Network plus host. If you see the network, I think it is a 24. It is going to be 8. In the 24, if you observe, 3 bits are fixed. 3 bits are fixed. 3 bits fixed. So which will goes to, I think, 21. So total networks possible 2 power 21. 2 power 21. 2 power 21. 2 power 21 networks possible. 2 power 21 networks possible. So what about this one? Host purpose 8 bits, 2 power 8 IPs. So remember, one network having 2 power 8 IPs, these many. Let's check. One class C network, 2 power 8 IPs. But we have 2 power 21 class C networks, which will goes to 2 power 21 into 2 power 8, which will goes to 2 power 29 IPs possible. So remember everyone, in the class C, 3 bits are fixed. Out of 32, if you remove 3, 29. So 2 power 29 IPs possible. 2 power 29 IPs possible. Remember, one class C network 2 power 8 IPs. Like that, 2 power 21 class C networks are there. 2 power 21 into 8, which is going to be 2 power 29 IPs. Now it's my good question to all the people. Can you help me now? Which network having? I'm repeating once again. Which class having more IPs? Which class IPs are more? Which class IPs are more? Please give answer to me. Which class IPs are more? Overall, which class IPs are more? Overall, which class IPs are more? Total. What is the answer? Class A. Because in the class A, 1 bit only fixed. In the class A, first bit is 0, 1 bit only fixed. Out of 32, if you remove 1 bit, 31. 2 power 31 IPs. You may divide, you may not divide. At the end of the day, if you divide also, if you don't divide also, same only. If you divide also, if you don't divide also, same only. With division, you don't lose anything. Without division also, you don't lose anything. At the end of the day, same. But the thing is, how many fixed people? How many fixed? One person is fixed. When you say fixed means one way. Fixed means one way. One bit is one way. Total is 32. One bit is one way. That is 0. Remaining 31 can be 0, can be 1. So remaining 31 people, everyone 2 possibilities. So 2 power 31. If you go to the class B, 2 bits are fixed. 1 0 fixed. So these 2 people are one way. 1 also one way, 0 also one way. Remaining 30 people, every bit is 2 possibilities. So 2 power 30 total. So in the class B, total IPs are 2 power 30 IPs. If you go to the class C, 3 bits are fixed, 1 1 0. 3 bits are fixed means these 3 people 1 1 possibility, but remaining 29 people, everyone 2 possibilities. 2 power 29 IPs. Total IPs are 2 power 29. Total IPs are 2 power 29. Is there anyone who is having objection? Is there anyone who is having objection till now? Till now, do you have objection? Till now, do you have objection? More clarity will get further. 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 Can I move further? Any small doubt? Any small doubt? Slowly, see, slowly division started. Slowly, class A, 2 parts. Right? Network part, host part. Class B, network part, host part. Slowly, I think class A, network 8. Just remember, it is a 8. 8 remaining is what? 24. Next, slowly increase. 16, 16. Slowly increase. 24, 8. But further, if you increase further, to already 24 network, if you increase further, it will become 32. 32 means already 32. So I think there is no division. D and E, no division. D and E, no division. D and E, no division. Now let me ask you one small line. One, right? Can you help me now? Which network? Listen. Which class having per one network more IPs? Which class having per one network more IPs? I am repeating once again. Which class having per one network more IPs? Which class is having per one network more IPs? I'm repeating once again. Which class is having per one network? See, one class A network, 2 power 24 IPs. One class B network, 2 power 26 IPs. One class C network, 2 power 8 IPs. Can you help me now? Which class is having per one network more IPs? Yeah or not? Remember. Big companies, right? If you go to the TCS company, many employees, If you go to the Indian government, central government, if you go, right, more employees. If you go to the US government, US central government, more IP, right? So means more employees. Let us assume that every employee one computer. Let us assume that, see, if you take the Indian government, central government, you take the central government, so many central government employees are there. Every employee one computer. When you say computer, definitely there is a requirement of IP. Definitely there is a requirement of IP. So government, listen, central government having so many employees, every employee, if you give one computer, means one IP is needed. Every computer, one IP needed. So what I mean to say is, big companies, what they will do is, they will go to the right, they will go to the internet, right, internet service provider, ISP, internet service provider. So what the Indian government will do is, it will go to the ISP, right, internet service provider. It will go to the ISP and it will say that, right, in my central government, so many employees are there. For every employee, one computer there. For every computer, we want to give one IP. So one class A, if I buy, more IPs are coming. One class A, if I buy, more IPs are coming. Please, right, they will buy one class A network. One class A they will buy. If they buy one class A, 2 power 24 IPs are possible. So if you want more IPs, one class A network you buy. More IPs, more employees are there, more IPs needed. So go to ISP, internet service provider, ask him, in my company so many employees, I want so many IPs. So which one I prefer? Then simply they will say that, you want more, one class A you buy, 2 power 24 IPs you will get. Can anyone help me? Startup companies will buy class A network or class B network or class C. Small companies like TCS, listen, TCS company, Indian government, US government will buy class A. More employees are there. Class A better. Can you help me now? Less employees are there. Take a company where less employees are there. 100 employees, 200 employees, like that. Can you help me now? If you have less employees, you need less IPs. So what is the answer? You buy the class C. You buy class C. In the class C, if you see the class C, one class C network, 2 power 8 IPs only. One class C network, 2 power 8 IPs only. 2 power 8 means 256. 2 power 8 means 256. One class C network, if you buy, only 256 people you can accommodate. So in your company, less employees means you want less IPs. If you want less IPs, go to class C. If you want more IPs, go to the one class A. So some people are asking, sir, how many IPs are there? In the class A, how many IPs? Let me write now. 2 power 24. This can be written as 2 power 4 into 2 power 20. Right? So 2 power 4 into 2 power 20. Remember, 2 power 10 is 1K. 1K. 2 power 20 is 1M. 1M. So 2 power 4 is 16. 2 power 20 means M. 16M. 16 million. 16 million. 16 million. Right? Kilo and million, something like that. Right? So 16 million or 16M. 16M IP is possible. 2 power K means, so I'm repeating once again, 2 power 10 means K, 2 power 20 means M, 2 power 30 means G, giga, right? Let me write now. 2 power 10 K, 2 power 20 M, 2 power 30 G, giga. So 2 power 4, 16, 2 power M is M. So 16 million IP is possible. Or 16M IP is possible. These many IPs. 16M IP is possible. So if you go to the class B, one class A network, listen, one class B network, 2 power 16 IPs, which is nothing but 2 power 6 into 2 power 10. 2 power 16 is 64. 10 means K, 16K IPs. 64K IPs. One class B network, if you see, 64K IPs. 64K IPs. 64K IPs. Right? If you go for class A, right, what is the answer? 16 M IPs. 16 million IPs. Right? Fine. Okay. Let's go here. It is only 256. So if at all small company, they will buy class C network. One class C network they will buy. Supposing that in my company more people are there. More people are there. Then I will go for class A. Suppose medium, go for class B. Very less people, go for class C. So let me write now. A class for larger organizations. For larger organizations, A class is preferred. Right? A class is larger organization like maybe TCS having more employees, maybe Reliance, maybe Indian government, central government of India, or government of India. Next one, class B class. Maybe I think you can say something like right, medium organizations or middle organizations. Like can you say some middle organizations? Can you say some middle organizations? Can you say middle? Maybe I think middle, I can say maybe Wipro, something like that. Maybe Wipro. Maybe I can say BSNL. Yeah, some, right? There, no one will ask you. Just some example. Next one, class C maybe, right? I think small organizations, like maybe I can say Paytm, Ola, Zomato. Yeah, something like that. This is, I think, NASA, where more employees are there. Right? Here maybe Microsoft having less employees. They may give more salary, but less employees. Microsoft having medium, it is not, it is giving more salaries, right? One person may get the 20 lakh, 30 lakh, 40 lakh like this. Number of employees in the Wipro, number of employees in the Microsoft, most probably same. But Wipro will pay maybe 2 lakh, 3 lakh, 4 lakh, 5 lakh. But Microsoft will pay 30 lakh, 40 lakh, 50 lakh, 60 lakh. But number of employees wise, both may be same. Employees wise, we are talking about employees wise. TCS having more people. Right? Fine. Perfect. Startup companies, all startup. No one will ask you. No one. So class A for larger organizations. Class B for middle organization. Class C for small organizations. Right? Class D. D class. For multicasting. What is the meaning? Afterwards, I will say to you. For multicasting, class E for the research purpose, or one more thing I can say, for a military purpose. Class E for research purpose. If anyone doing research, for them class E will be given. Maybe some military people also required, right? Military people also required some IPs. So E class will be given. D class is for multicasting. What is the meaning? I will say to you afterwards. D for multicasting, right? E class for the research or military. No one will ask you. No one will ask you D and E. D and E, no one will ask you. D and E, no one will ask you. But remember this statement. Remember this statement. D will be for multicasting. E for research and military purpose. So for larger organizations, right? For larger organizations, A class. For middle, B class. C, right? C class is going to be small organizations like startup companies, right? Like that. I hope everyone is fine. One or two doubts are there, I will clarify. One or two doubts are there, I will clarify. Can I go further? Can I go further? Can I go further? One more small thing there, I will say. One more small thing there, I will say. Right? Then you will get the more clarity. One small thing there. One small thing there. I will say that also you will get more clarity. Can I go ahead? Can I go ahead? One more small thing there. If I say that, you will get more clarity. Until now, you are missing 1 or 2 points. Until now, you are missing 1 or 2 points. If I say that also, you will get more clarity. Right? Can we discuss? Can we discuss a little more clearly? Can we discuss a little more clearly? Yes. Now observe. Now observe. Everyone observe. Everyone observe here. Now everyone observe. Please see this. Please see this one. Now everyone observe. See this one. Careful everyone. 100. Can you help now? If the first octet is 100, if the first octet is 100, which class it is? Everyone give answer. It is a very interesting one. Can you catch this point also? Can you catch this point also? You will get the more clarity. If the first octet is 100, which class? If the first octet is 100, which class? I think everyone, it is a class A. If the first octet is 100, if the first octet is 100, which class? Class A, because class A 0 to 127. Class A is 0 to 127. Class A is 0 to 127. Please be careful. So it is a class A. Can you help me now? Can you help me now? Class A, if it, right, I'm writing here. I'm writing here. This is class A. See this one try to understand. 100.x.y.z. 100.x.y.z. Because of this is 100, I can say it is a class A or A class. See what I am going to say. Understand everyone. A class it is. A class. By seeing 100, I can say it is a A class. When you say it is a A class, when you say it is a A class, 8 bits for the network, 24 bits for the host. When you say 100 dot, oh, A class means 8 bits for network, 24 bits for host. Now what I want to say is, observe here, 8 bits for network, right, 24 bits for host. So let me convert this 100, right, binary, it is a as of now it is a decimal number. 100 is a decimal. Let me convert into binary. You know very well how to convert the decimal number into binary. Let me convert. So I think 100 closest to powers of 2, 2 power 8 256, 2 power 7 128, 2 power 6 64. I am converting into decimal to binary. So closest to powers of 2 you write without crossing. So 2 power 6 64. Remaining if you see 36. 36 closest to powers of 2 power 5 32. So 36, but I got 32 now, 4 only required. 4 closest to powers of 2 square, 4. So see the binary number. 0, 1, everyone observe. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Totally, this is the 1 octet, first octet. In the first octet, if you observe, 6th bit is 1, 5th bit also 1, 2nd bit also 1, remaining people are zeros. Remaining people are zeros. If you observe clearly, this is the 100. I just converted 100 in the binary format. Base 2 I converted. I am not done anything. Base 2 I converted. Now observe here. So if you observe clearly, 0 double 1 0, right? Next one 0 1 0 0. Everyone observe. So first octet I written 100 I written. Everyone listen. First octet I written. So can you help me now? Network part is 100. Everyone listen. Network part is 100. Remember. Network part is 100. I written on the binary number. So let's see this one. I think host part, these many people are there. Host part 24 bits are there. See the answer. Host part, network part is already fixed. I written 8 bits for network. I written already. 8 bits for network. I already written. Host purpose 24. Now observe. Host purpose 24. What is the meaning? 24. See the answer. How many host purpose 24 means how many IPs possible? 2 power 24 IPs possible. See the answer. So you know very well 24 zeros to, if you observe clearly, 24 zeros to 24 ones. Now observe here. So what I mean to say, one class A network, 2 power 24 IPs possible. One class A network, 2 power 24 IPs. Remember, one class A. I am saying one class A. Why? That class, right? That class A is this one, 100. Network part is 100. We are talking about network part 100. This is fixed. So many. So class A having how many network? Some people are asking, sir, one class A, see this one class A size, you know, it's okay, but class A contain how many class A networks possible? See this one, 2 power 7 networks possible. 2 power 7, right? 2 power 7 class A networks possible. Out of them, 2 power 7 class A networks possible. Out of them, one of the network number is 100. You know very well, 2 power 7 possible. First bit is fixed. Remaining 7 people, 7 zeros to 7 1. See this one. I think let me write one small line. So I think one bit fixed. 7 zeros to, listen, 7 zeros to 7 ones. 7 ones. Remember, 7 zeros to 7 ones. 7 zeros to 7 ones. Right? This bit is fixed. Okay. 7 zeros to 7 1. Remember, this may be 0. This is going to be 127. 100 is somewhere else. 100 is here. 100 is here. So 2 power 7, 128 class A networks are possible. Out of them, one of the network is 100. So we are talking about class A network 100. We are talking about class A network 100. See, class A network 100, if you observe, this is the observation. What is the answer? These all are same. Network part same, because it is a class A 100 network. It's the class A. See this one, network part is fixed. We are not changing. So one class A network we are talking. One class A network we are talking. So now it is the correct time to ask you. All the people give answer. All the people will give the answer. One class A network contain how many IPs? I want answer from all of you. One class A network contain how many IPs? We are talking about class A network 100. Class A network 128 there. Right? Class A network 0 there, class A network 1 there, class A network 127 also there, class A network 100 also there. We are talking about 100. Can you help me? One class A network contain how many IPs? One class A network contain how many IPs? One class A network contain how many IPs? Give answer, everyone. One class A network contain how many IPs? 2 power 24? 2 power 24? Yes, we are talking about one class A network. That network number 100 we are talking. One class A network we are talking, that network number is 100. See, network number 100. One class A network we are talking, that network, because class A network 0, class A network 1, class A network 2, and class A network 127. Class A network 127. So out of them, one of them is 100. We are talking about 100. We are not talking all class A network. We are talking about class A network 100. We are talking this only. And one more thing. 2 power 24 IPs are there. Okay, please help me. Every IP contain how many bits? One class A network, if you take 2 power 24 IPs are there. Okay, can you help me now? In all these IPs, how many bits are there? One class A network contain 2 power 24 IPs. 2 power 21 class A network contain 2 power 24 IPs. Can you help me now? One class A network contain 2 power 24 IPs means definitely every IP having 32 bits or not? Every IP needed 32 bits. IP means 32 bits, na? Every IP needed 32 bits. 2 power 24 IPs, okay. But every IP contains 32 bits. Remember, IP means 32 bits. You have to read all. See, this is one IP. This is one more IP. Right? Like that. See, this is how all zeros to all ones. So what is the meaning? This will go like this. This will go like this. This will go like this. After 0, next one will come. After 0, next one will come. Binary number. After one, right? 2 will come. 2 will come. After 2, 3 will come. It will continue, bro. It will continue like this. Every IP contain 32 bits. Every IP contain 32 bits. Every IP contain 32 bits. Try to understand. One class A network contain 2 power 24 IPs. Every IP require 32 bits. IP means 32 bits. Now, can you help me now? One class A network contain 2 power 24 IPs. Every IP needed 32 bits. Okay. I want answer from all of you. In all these 2 power 24 IPs, can you help me now? In all these 2 power 24 IPs, every IP contain 32 bits. Okay. But can you help me now? Which part is common? Which part is common? Network part common or not? Network part is common. That is the reason these all IPs are belongs to network 100. Network part common. That is the reason we are talking about network part common. That means, right? Network 100. Network 100. These all belongs to network 100 IPs. Network part common. These all 2 power 24 IPs. If you observe, network part is common. Oh, these are the IPs of network 100. These all are IPs of network 100. All IPs belong to network 100. Okay, bro, okay, you got it? One class A network contain 2 power 24 IPs. But when you say IP, 32 bits. IP means 32 bits. So every row contain 32 bits. Every row contain 32 bits. But if you see the network part, all are common. All same. Oh. So these all IPs belongs to network 100. These all IPs belongs to network 100. So network part is common, means, oh, these all IPs belongs to network 100. Network 100 belongs to A class. Okay, it is one of the A class network. It is one of the A class network. Let me write now. It is one of the class A network. It is one of that because class A network contain 2 power 7 networks. Class A network contain 2 power 7 networks are there. Class A contain 2 power 7 networks. It is network number 100. It is a network number 100. Fine, is it okay? Bro, is it okay? Is it okay? It is one of the class A network. Class A network contains one of the class A network. If you observe the class A network 0 there, class A network 1 there, class A network 2 there, and so on. Class A network 100 also there, and so on. Class A network 127 also there. 0 to 127. 2 power 7, 128 class A networks are there. 128 class A networks are there. Out of them, this is the class A network 100. One of the class A network. It is one of the class A network. It is one of the class A network. Now it is the correct time to ask you. See, so it is the correct time to ask you. Network 100 contain how many IPs? Please conclude finally. Network 100 contain how many IPs? Please go ahead. Network 100 contain how many IPs? Please go ahead, everyone. Network 100 contain how many IPs? Everyone. Network 100 contain how many IPs? 2 power 24. Why? Network 100 means class A network. Class A means host purpose 24. Oh, 2 power 24 IPs. You have to understand like this one. Network 100. Network number is 100. Network 100 contain how many IPs? Immediately remember. Network 100. Okay. Means network 100 means class A. Class A means host purpose 24 bits. Oh, 2 power 24 IP is possible. Why 2 power 24? 24 bits per host. 24 bits per host. 24 zeros to 24 ones. Remember, network 100 means network part is 100. All are belongs to same network. Network 100 contain 2 power 24 IPs. 24 zeros to 24 ones. Now understand everyone. Understand everyone, please. It is a very important one. It is a very important one. If you see the, listen, every IP contain 32 bits. Every IP contain 32 bits. Can you observe this? Every IP contain 32 bits. Every IP contain 32 bits. Everyone observe. If you see the first IP, see this one. If you see the first IP, so network part is 100. Listen, network part is 100. If you see the first IP, network part is 100. 100 followed by all zeros. Every octet is 0. Because all are 0. See, every octet is 0. If you convert into decimal, these all became 0. If you see the second one, network part is 100 only. Second octet also 0. Third octet also 0. Fourth one, if you observe, see, fourth one, if you observe, if you see the fourth one, it is a decimal value 1. In the similar way, see, remember 2 power 24 IPs are there. 2 power 24 IPs are there. I am writing 1 by 1 IP. I am writing 1 by 1 IP. So understand this. I am writing 1 by 1 IP. I am writing. See this. See this one. This one, if you observe, network part is 100. It is a 0. It is a 0. Next number is 2. This is 2. So this one, if you observe, 100.0.0.3. So if you keep on going, listen, if you keep on going, this one, if you observe, 100.0.0, remember everyone, here all 8 people are ones. Remember, with the 8 bits, possibilities are 2 power 8. But remember, 0 to 2 power 8, that's a 255. If you want, you can check. So if you see the host part, all zeros to all ones. Let me read. Sorry for this. All zeros to all ones. All ones. Remember. See this one. All ones. All ones. So 255, 255, 255. So remember. Host part all zeros to host part all ones. See, network part fixed. Host part all zeros to all ones. Remember, every IP contains 32 bits. All zeros to host part to all ones. Now everyone, one more interesting. Can you help me now? Host part all zeros to host part all ones. Remember, host part all zero. Remember everyone, host part all zero. This IP is known as, in a particular IP, host part all zeros. This is called as net ID. This is called network ID, net ID. In the host part, all ones are there. Then this IP is known as DBA, direct broadcast address, DBA. Remember. Right? While writing the host part all zeros. 2. Host part all ones you write. But remember, host part all zeros. That IP is called as net ID. Host part all ones. That IP is known as DBA. Direct broadcast address. That is called as the direct broadcast address. You will get the more clarity in the next example. Remember, these many IPs possible. 2 power 24 IPs possible. You no need to bother that much. Total is 2 power 24 IPs. Okay. In those 2 power 24 IPs, one IP is the net ID where host part all zeros. One IP is the DBA where all host part is all ones. 2 power 24 IPs. In that one IP contain all host part 0, net ID. One IP contain all host part ones, DBA. But total IPs are 2 power 24 IPs. One class A network contain 2 power 24 IPs. Out of those 2 power 24 IPs, one IP host part all zeros, net ID. One IP host part all ones, DBA. DBA means direct broadcast address. 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 Now I think because of you are really comfortable, I will go one more round. You will get the clarity. Now understand everyone. It is a very, very important point. Please catch this also. Please catch this. Can you see this one? Please catch this. See the answer. Everyone listen. 100.x.y.z. 100. Everyone listen. You listen this, with this it is over. 100.x.y.z. See this one. By seeing this 100, immediately say it is A class. By seeing this is A class. Network part, host part. Network part 8 bits. Host part 24 bits. Okay. So network part 8 bits. So this is the network. This is the host. Yeah, network part. So I think everyone know we written also already. See this one. 0110 0100. Let me write now. 0110 0110 0100. See everyone. 0100. Okay. Network part this. Can you help me now? Network part is fixed. Everyone observe. Network part is fixed. It's okay. But host part, if you observe, all zeros to all ones. All zeros. 2. All zeros 2. All ones. All ones means 255s. Remember, these all are 100. These all are same. These all are same. If you don't want to write binary, decimal also you can write. Decimal also you can write. Now listen everyone. Very, very important one. Listen everyone. Total. See this one. Total. This class 100. Class A network 100. Class A network 100 contain 2 power 24 IPs. Okay, that is everyone know. One class A network 100 contain 2 power 24 IPs. Okay, out of those 2 power 24 IPs, one IP is net ID. Where host part all zeros. Network ID. Next one IP is a DBA, which is nothing but direct broadcast address. Direct broadcast address. Remember, these are the special addresses. Direct broadcast address. These are the special addresses. Direct broadcast address. Remember, out of 2 power 24 IPs, one IP for special purpose, network ID purpose. One more IP for special purpose, DBA purpose, direct broadcast address. If you observe remaining people, 2 power 24 IPs are there total 2 power 24 IPs, but 2 for special purpose. 2 power 24 IPs minus 2, right? These are for a host purpose. These are host IPs. These are host IPs, means for every customer, for every employee, you can give one IP. You cannot give 2 power 24 people. 2 are for special purpose. Remaining you can give for host. If they ask you how many hosts, 2 power 24 minus 2. How many IPs? 2 power 24. What is the network part? Network part 100. Network 100 of class A contain 2 power 24 IPs. Out of them, 2 people I cannot use for the host purpose. 2 people are for special purpose. 2 power 24 minus 2 host IPs. Is it okay? It is a one example. If they ask you hosts how many, 2 power 24 minus 2 host, how many IPs possible total? See, these are also IP. See, network ID also IP, DBA also IP. These are also IP, but special IPs. They cannot be used for, right? They cannot be used for a host purpose. They are for special purpose. IPs how many? These many. Host how many? These many. What is the network? Network 100. Which class? Class A. Which class? Class A. Which network? 100. How many IPs? 2 power 24. How many hosts? 2 power 24 minus 2. Why minus 2? Right? All zeros. Host part all zeros. Host part all zeros. That is for network ID. Host part all ones. That is going to be DBA, direct broadcast address. That is the direct broadcast address. I hope you got it. You revise this. Tomorrow we'll meet again. Today one nice thing is happened. Please revise this one time. Revise the total class, whatever happened till now. Revise one time. You will get the clarity. 1 or 2 doubts also there. Ask in the group. Fine, is it okay? One or two doubts also they ask in the group. How can I say a particular address is a network address? Some people are asking, how can I say a IP is a net ID? Host part all zeros. Host part all zeros. Host part all zeros. Net ID. Host part all ones. That is the DB. You please revise all of them one time. Please revise all of them one time. It is my sincere request. Please revise all of them one time. Right, perfect. So if anyone is not joined, I'm saying to you clearly, from July there is no new batch. No new batch from July. From July onwards there is no new batch. Right? So please join now itself, join. Otherwise you don't get. There is no enough time. July onwards no new batch. So if you want to write 2026 GATE exam, regular batch you join. If you want to write 2027 foundation batch you take. Right? If you want some revision kind of thing, crash course you take. If you want practice course, rank improvement course you take. 5,000 problems, video solutions are available. Good questions, video solutions are available. If you have some doubts, right, mentorship session you can take. Test series, last year 59 questions came from our test series. And one more thing, 70% discount is going on. 70%. I want to help students as much as possible. So 70% discount going on. Use code EPT 595 ARG. Don't cry afterwards. After offer is over, don't cry. 70% discount going on. See, 70%. 70% discount going on. Please utilize. This is the code. If anyone unable to see, this is the code. 70%. Right? Please utilize it. Yeah. See you tomorrow. Thank you so much. Revise and come. These notes, whatever notes we done here, these notes we'll keep in the group. You can utilize. These notes we will keep in the group. You can utilize. Right? Perfect. Thanks everyone. See you in the next class. Is it okay? Perfect. Inform to your friends also. If anyone want to join, let them join. Right. Thank you. Thanks everyone.